On TikTok, without account, you are not able to upload videos or like, comment on other videos. So you need an account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on TikTok on proper way. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. For creating TikTok account, first of all, you need to download TikTok apps on your phone and tap on TikTok. Then here showing some recommended video. Without your account, without TikTok account, you can watch TikTok video. For creating accounts, as you can see on the bottom side, here's 5 different options. Then tap on profile icons. Then as you can see here showing login or sign up, and tap on. Then here is 4 different way to you can create TikTok account, but I'm going to use phone or email. Then tap on, and here showing the phone number. Then enter phone number, then send code, and it take few moments to send a verification code on your number. So you need to check your number is active or your phone is near to you. Then as you can see, number sent, and I receive verification code and enter. So account created. And then you need to set up your profile. So tap on set up profile and enter a name. For you, shows your name, like I am entering my name, just Anis. Then here's the notice for you can change your name once every 7 days. So if you enter a name, so you need to wait 7 days for change your name. Then save. Then set a username so people can easily find out you. So it is not available, so I can enter a number. So yes, it is not available also. And here as you can see, it is available. So just save and set. As you can see, now you can tell something about you to your audience, like, and you can link your other social network like Instagram or YouTube. So I'm not going to link, and just enter and add a photo, and tap on the camera icons, and you can take a photo instead, or you can upload from your gallery. So I'm going to upload from my gallery. To select from gallery, so access. Then for example, I'm adding this profile photo and crop your photo like that. Tap on save, and it will uploading. And as you can see, my account is ready. Now I can upload video or comment or like other video. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.